Hi guys, welcome to my video. So this is the mess created in front of my house after yesterday night's heavy snowfall. You can see how much snow has been accumulated, and if I show you the street, it is still like fully covered in snow, and cars are gonna have really tough time cleaning it. Now imagine I have to clean all this on my own. I see some of my neighbors have snow cleaning machine, but unfortunately I don't. So when you come to Canada, be ready to encounter situations like this. It's really painful that now I have to take a shovel and I have to clean all this mess. You can see the marks of my tire, but that is of yesterday, and it was full to the ground, but because of overnight snow, it has accumulated again, and still snowfall is going on, although at a very low speed. So thanks for watching this, guys, and if you come to Canada, be ready to do something like this and handle situations like this.